Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Guys, it is Tablescape Sunday, and you know I love Tablescape Sunday because that means it's time for another Diva Dynasty collaboration. This week, the Tablescape theme is Pucker Up, and the host is the lovely Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Now, Lynn has 4 co-hosts, of course, and they are the other members of the Diva Dynasty, and they are Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Cynthia of Cynthia She So Bless, Miss Geraldine of Diva Decorating, and also Miss Mysterious Alberta. Now, these 5 ladies come together every 2 weeks. They put together and they host Tablescape Sunday. It's always with a different theme or twist, and I really love participating, and I thank them for the open invite. And if you don't know these ladies, I have left links in the description box to all 5 of their channels, including the playlist. And I hope you'll go visit that playlist as well as go and visit all of their channels. Now, again, if you're not a member of my channel, DIY Design by CCW, I certainly hope that you will subscribe today. Make sure you tap that notification bell a couple of different times. So again, guys, as I said, the theme for this week is Pucker Up. So what I'm going to do is stop talking and let you see what I came up with for this lemon-themed tablescape. And then, of course, I'll come back at the end and just say a couple words. All right, everyone, I'm back, and I just wanted to hop on and tell you thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and again, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, I hope you will do that today, and make sure that you tap the notification bell at least 2 times. Now, also, please remember to go down and visit the links to all 5 ladies in the Diva Dynasty. Make sure that you go visit their channels, show them some love today, and please go and visit that playlist, because I tell you, you will see all kinds of creators who will be participating in this collaboration, and I know that they've done some beautiful work. So again, I thank you so much for watching today, and you know what? Like I like to say, I cannot wait to see you in another video. Bye-bye.